How's it going, everyone? Today I'm going to show you how to send messages on TikTok. Now this is just super quick and simple, so make sure to follow the steps as I show you. Now first things first, let's head on to TikTok. Now once you're in TikTok, let's check your settings if you can send messages to everyone. So go to your profile right here. And next click on these three lines right here, the top right hand corner of your screen. And go to settings and privacy. Now once you're in settings and privacy, go to privacy right here. And scroll down and under interactions, click on direct messages. And under direct messages, make sure that the settings right here is set to everyone. So everyone can send you direct messages. So once you've done that, just go back and now you can send messages to everyone right here. And that's about it for this video, everyone. And if you find this helpful, be sure to give it a like, subscribe, and click on that notification bell to be notified for future videos. Bye!